Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, Maruti quarter 3 profit zooms 130% on strong demand. Next, businesses face tax heat over deductions claimed for sales. Next, Google apps unbundling to start soon. Next, SEBI may challenge SAT's relief to NSE in Supreme Court. Next, would not let sensitive issue scuttle UK's trade talks. Next, Jetlanders move NCLAT against Jalan Kalrock. Next, Indus Towers makes provision for VI dues. On page number 2 and page number 4 in companies section under that DGCA action excessive, we stand by suspended pilot Air India. Next, regulator fine AI rupees 10 lakh for not reporting second peeing incident. Next, India made Bhar OS tested. Next, Tata Trust appoints Siddharth Sharma CEO, Aparna Appaluri COO. Next, Bharat Pay names three heads for audit, security, and complaints. Next, Indian SaaS firm to command 8% of world market by 27. Bain. Next, Airtel hikes entry level plan in 7 circles to soar up ARPU. Next, new mega launch Geo rolls out 5G services in 50 more cities. Next, Indus Tower makes rupees 2298 crore provision for VI receivables. Next, Jetlanders move NCLAT against Jalan Kalro. Next, Pathan set to witness blockbuster rupees 50 crore opening. Next on page number 5 in company section under that, government may launch first ever 5G service quality test soon. Next, Blackstone in talks with Bain to sell $480 million stake in REIT. Next, Vistara would not need fund infusion for 6 months. Next, lenders look to bag rupees 8,000 crore from sale of Reliance Com's prime property. Next, TVS Motor net profit jumps 28% to rupees 304 crores. Next, Colgate net down 3.6%. Next, Macrotech net increases 41%. On page number 6 in economy and public affairs section under that, would not allow sensitive issues to scuttle India UK trade talks. Next, FinMin meets private sector bankers, review status of government schemes. Next, states interest to cost inches up as borrowing increases 8%. Next, JP Morgan gets RBI note for new India CEO Prabha Dev Singh. Next, several nations likely to adopt India's tech stake in Fab MOSIT. Next, Indian Oil to pump rupees 2200 crore into projects in Tamil Nadu. Next, work on coal to methanol units underway. Hardeep Puri. Next, Sangeeta Verma's tenure has CCI's acting chairperson extended. Next, Railways mission Raftar slows on speed restriction. Next, current sector snapshot. Next, share in total exports. Next, egg prices increases on high feed rates exports to Malaysia. Next, on page number 8 in economy and public affairs section under that, India's 8,000 crore green bond debut today. Analysts see strong demand. Next, issuances in India have grown slower than peers. Next, SBI card net profit up 32% to rupees 509 crore. Next, UCO bank profit more than doubles to rupees 653 crore. Next, rupees said 33 paisa on persistent dollar purchases by importers. Next, fast tax mop up rises 46% in 2022 to hit rupees 50,000 crore. Next, on page number 9 in politics and public affairs section under that, GM mustard not developed has herbicide tolerant government. Next, grave concern Rijiju on SC revealing reports. Next, BJP AAP fight stalls Delhi major polls for second time. Next, government to hold separate consultation next month on PIB fact check rules. Next, draft IT rules changes will impact press Indian Newspaper Society. On page number 12, in Oscar RRR, Natu Natu nominated for Best Original Song. Next, 3 million to cut 3 million to cut 2,500 jobs on weak demand profit. Next, 8 in 10 undernourished in South Asia, says FAO. Next, Finland for solo NATO entry has Erdogan reject Sweden. Next, World of Warcraft shut down in China cuts of millions. Next, US confronts China for tactically aiding Russia in Ukraine war. Next, another mass shooting in California leaves 7 deaths. Next, US sees 38 mass shootings, 67 deaths in January so far. Next, Vodafone sells High Court in Britain. Next, the Elephant Whispers All That Breathes also score nomination from India. Next, Twitter hit by 2 lawsuits for not paying rent. Next, Musk says his SpaceX shares could have also helped fund taking Tesla private. Next, US set to sue Google digital ad market dominance. Next, Pichai to staff cuts avoided much worse issues. On page number 13, in opinion section under that, deficient regulation. Next, structural restraint. Next, Putin's war machine. Next, building resilience for the long game. Next, states to center a good turn. Next, on page number 14, in Madhya Pradesh, the future ready state section under that will be always available as MP CEO, says CM Chauhan. Next, MP secures investment worth rupees 15.4 lakh crore. Next, CM hold 1-to-1 meet with investors. Next, MP will play vital role in India's developmental journey. PM Modi. On page number 15, in that MP's roadmap to $550 million economy. On page number 19, in that smart investor section under that, Tata Motor, one of many, has India INC turns adverse to ADR and GDRs. Next, regular likely to challenge SAT relief to NSE in Supreme Court. Next, Watchdog slaps rupees 26 crore penalty on coffee day. Next, HDFC AMC's quarter 3 profit up 3% at rupees 369 crore, revenue rise 1.8%. Next, IDFC AMC appoints Manish Ganwani as head of equities. Next, Pidilite may miss out on Nifty 50 inclusion after rebalancing. Next, Nykaa stock now a buy, analyst positive but divided. Next, for now, SAT order may free up rupees 1000 crore for NSE. Next, regulator likely to challenges SAT relief to NSE in Supreme Court. Then I comes to page number 20, in that smart investor section under that, analyst raise Axis Bank's earning forecast on quarter 3 beats. Next, go better rental rate with higher deposit, longer term lease. Then on page number 22, in that dialysis business in growth mode. Next, Aditya Birla Group set for green energy foray to match revivals. Then I comes to page number. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.